It's opening weekend for what Union Station is calling the most Instagrammable moment of the entire year. We're talking about the largest aerial art installation in Kansas City history, designed by trendy LA artist Patrick Sheehan. To prove to you I actually do have legs under the desk, we decided to take out our cameras and experience it for ourselves. Our tour guide is the head of Union Station, George Guastello. So this is what you're calling the most Instagrammable moment in Kansas City for the entire 2019, George?
What'd you say? This is Kansas City's largest outdoor air art installation ever.
How does this actually work, or does a magician never reveal his secrets?
This is one of the most complicated art and science installations you will have seen in Kansas City. You'll see these giant pylons that we've had to install to protect all these special cables, and there are 78,000 pieces of hand-sewn mylar above us, and it changes colors. So whenever you're here, there's a different color, there's a different emotion. Yeah. On cloudy days, it looks like a thunderstorm or the ocean.
One bit fell off. I thought it was a piece of trash, but I have a piece here, probably valued at like probably $30,000 in my hands.
And Patrick will be here Saturday night, so get him to sign it.
Is he really?
And boom, you get to put it on the KCPT auction.
Now, because you have the big event on Saturday where you're going to be having food and entertainment, people are going to be able to see this for the first time. What happens after that? Can you come over here at any point and see it for totally free?
Totally free for the entire summer.
Oh, it's really rising now.
It's going, see? People will just go crazy.
I'm going to try and get it.
Yeah, well, you're healthy. If I did it, I'd bring
you want.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, let's do it together.
Yeah.
Honor it.
Okay, all right.